Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by Klaiyi hair. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this hair, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so I'm going to be reading the details from my phone just to make sure I give you guys the right and accurate details of the wig. So today we have a unit from Klaiyi or Klaiyi hair, and we have the Ombre Highlight TL27 straight hair, 13x4 lace front. Okay, so I have her in the length of 22 and I have it in 180% density. Okay, and of course I will have links down in the description box below in case you guys are interested. So before we jump into the cap construction and how I feel about the unit, I did want to let you guys know what I did to this unit off camera, because as you guys seen, I did show you guys like the cap construction and how the wig looked before I did anything. So off camera I did go in and bleach the knots, and I bleached them pretty good, if I do say so myself. And I did go ahead and wash the hair as well and condition it, and then I did go in and pluck the unit, and then everything else I did on camera, which was styling, which was straighten the hair and everything like that. So getting right into the cap construction, this is a 13x4 lace front wig, and it is really nice. I will say that this is average head friendly, meaning it could fit large and small heads, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, I feel like, yeah, this is at the happy medium where it could fit us big head girls and the small head girls. So as far as cap construction, it does have the standard cap construction, the combs in the front as well as the comb in the back with the adjustable straps, as well as the 13x4 lace front area. But however, I did want to point out that this lace wig is so bomb, y'all. Like, I literally had to do nearly nothing to get it to blend in, and it's not even glued down, okay? Because y'all know I'm a glueless squirrel, okay? However, you can go in with your even lace tint sprays or whatever hair glue you use or whatever to go ahead and lay it down, but you do not have to, as you guys can see, and it's fitting very securely on my head, and my wig is sitting and looking good. Okay, so that is one thing that I absolutely love about it, that the lace is so nice. Even before I tinted it, I would not even have to have put any lace tint or anything or foundation on my unit, but I just wanted to do it because I didn't know how it would be different like once I put on my foundation. But like as far as like the natural skin, it just melted right in, as you guys seen in the previous clips. So I'm really impressed with this lace. This lace is absolutely impeccable, and yes honey, they did not come to play with this lace. Now as far as the hair go, I really like the style, although it is straight. Because the density is so nice, it is 180% density, you can go ahead and throw some curls in here if you want to, which I definitely feel like I am going to do that when I wear this wig again, just to give it a different style. However, I really do love this straight style, but I like the fact that I have the versatility to go ahead and throw some curls in there as well. So yeah, I really do like that. As far as the hair texture, it's really nice. It's like, I don't know, to me it feels like Brazilian hair. I don't know if they specify it. I think they do on the website, but I just can't remember. But the hair is really nice. It has a very soft texture, and I really do love the density. Y'all know I live for a full wig, okay? So 180% density is always all right with me. As far as like wearing this density in the weather, I feel like it will be fine. It's not too much hair. Now if you went 200% density, that might be a lot. You might not be able to wear it in the hot weather, but this would be fine because I don't feel hot or anything. And it is hot right now in California, and I have on all black and I'm wearing long sleeve, okay? And y'all can hear there's no air conditioner on. So you will be absolutely fine. And yeah, I really do like it. I love the way that they did their highlight pieces. It is really nice, and I love how it is like even and you know, like the color and like the neatness and everything. And I love the way that they blended at the top. They did a really good job. As far as shedding and tangling, I received minimal shedding and minimal tangling, which is really good. I thought I was going to get a lot of shedding from the front area because, as you guys can see, it is processed and colored, but I actually didn't, so that was really good. Like, I was so happy that there was not any shedding. Overall, this is a very nice quality unit. The hair texture is nice. The lace is absolutely impeccable. The style, the color, everything about this unit is really nice, and I would definitely recommend it. I have worked with GLAMSHAE in the past, and all of their units are absolutely like just really nice. That's why I was excited to work with them again, because I knew they was coming with the quality. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. Overall, I do like the unit. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have links down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.